Hey, Basto.
At least you're not
What's
screaming.
that?
Yeah, what's wrong?
Wow.
Uncle Chad.
Hi, baby. Hi, what you got? Hamburger side. Salad. Hello. Go ahead. What's that? Beans?
It looks like lima beans, yes.
Yes. Here you are. We are the fellowship picnic. And we go to the dessert. Brownies. The banana pudding. Cupcakes and cookies. What's a yellow cake? Blueberry. And here another more. Dum cake, cookies. More brownies and chocolate cake and cupcake. Wow. That's all. Hi, sister.
Hey, baby.
Cookies and blueberry or raspberry pie.
Probably strawberry.
But it looks good, huh? What's it? Apple. Oh, sometime maybe I make like that apple design. Okay. Cheese. Salads. And all, everybody get the food. Everybody's busy. Hi. In the kitchen.
Nathan, there's chips over there. Do you want chips?
Salads.
Grab one.
Salads.
See if you like